A common question which I often get asked is whether binary options trading signals come for a fee or are they offered free. Well, the answer is that they do come for a fee. So you as a trader need to pay to receive these binary options trading signals. The next obvious question, works out to be, is it really worth it? Are they actually worth the price that you pay to receive those trading signals? In my opinion, yes, they are worth it. Number one, the money that you pay is not a lot. Typically what I've seen is you'll probably pay in the range of 100 to 200 US dollars for a fortnight or a month's worth of trading signals. Now in that time period you'll receive a lot of trading signals, and as long as you take the cues and you trade correctly, in all likelihood you will end up in the money on the wagers that you place. So therefore the money that you've spent on these trading signals you would have recovered. Therefore my advice to you would be to make the most of these trading signals. In all likelihood they work. Also bear in mind that most brokers offer a trial period where you actually don't pay for the signals that you receive. This period may be very short, it could be a few days, it could be a week at the maximum, but my advice to you would be to make the most of these trials and see for yourself, because your conviction will come when you see that yes, these signals are working, they are useful, I am able to profit from them. So my advice would be to make the most of these this trial period for these signals, and as you see that yes, there is a suitable reward and I am able to make the most of these signals during that trial period, then after that, even if I need to pay, I might as well pay, and yet I'll be able to profit here because I'll make the most of those signals, I'll trade smartly, and ultimately I'll make much more than what I've paid for those signals. So these things you can keep in mind as far as the binary options trading signals and the fee attached to them is concerned. A final note would be that when it comes to the fee for these trading signals, it's not binding over a prolonged period of time. So what you can do is, say you've been taking these signals for a month, maybe you start with a fortnight, you go on to a month, 2 months, 3 months. After that, you've reached a certain level of smartness and you've had the kind of experience where without these trading signals also you're able to trade smartly and be in the money. You don't need to continue with these signals. The brokers are more than happy to have given you those signals over that period of time. You've paid them for that period for which you've received those signals. Now that you don't need them, you discontinue your subscription for those signals. They won't charge you for that and you will still be able to profit. So this is the kind of strategy which I recommend you should take up when it comes to these binary options trading signals. Cheers.